Can anybody make this out? So right access, right, single, right at left, left, what? Okay, ignore that. There's a fence there. So back by popular demand, we are back at Thorpe Park to do a Fright Nights construction update.
He says it like we're a popular channel. Well, there's only 2,000 of you people. Actually, to be fair, that's quite a lot of people. But in the YouTube world, that's not a lot. But hi everyone. Welcome to Haleycam. There's not really anything changed at survival games. It's all the same. Although that sign does look fresher, but I don't think it's new. It's probably just clean. They're just coming up to stealth, and it looks like they're testing some of the lights. Ooh, this is exciting.
Most important thing to remember: keep your arms and legs inside.
So I was about to say that the stages and stuff seem like, well, especially in this area, it seems very cut and paste. However, I feel like the lighting's new this year. Correct me if I'm wrong, but also the other thing is we have an actual like permanent stage, which means they won't be necessarily dancing on the concrete, which I think is a good upgrade. I'm not gonna lie.
There we go, just an update. Rumba Rapids is returning in 2026. Interesting, at least it says returning. Oh, the hot dog stall is still here. Please change. We want the Jackie potatoes back for the Fright Nights. Anyway, time for Hyperia.
So we're down at Deadbeat, and it looks like we've got some new posters. They don't really give anything away though, to be fair. Let us know what you think.
Well, we're just coming up to trailers. The sign's still not on there. We've got some new posters on the walls now. Here we go, it's the stage for Lucifer's Lair. Yeah, it's all set up now. Speakers on there. We've also got a second stage over there that they're just setting up. We also have barriers up around here. I don't know what this is for. I don't know if they're just resurfacing it or going to resurface it, or if it has anything to do with Fright Nights. One thing we've also noticed though is there's no evidence yet of the new scare zone.
No, there isn't.
No evidence. Obviously we were expecting it, not down there, but down the next, by
down
Boulevard.
Yeah, I forget what it's called.
I forget what it's
Boulevard.
Easy Boulevard, Big Easy Boulevard. That's where we're expecting it, but there is no evidence. Is it happening? Dare I say the question, is it happening?
Who knows?
Although this is mainly a Fright Nights update, we have just come off of Hyperia for the second time. I don't know if it's a different train or what.
It was definitely a different train.
Mid-row we were. First time we went on first ride.
Yeah, he says mid-row. We were row 3 and 4, so still the front of the train.
It was awful. It was so rattly.
People said that taking the brackets away made it better. It didn't. They really didn't.
It was
one of the trains it might have done, but the other one, no.
Oh yeah.
We done our first go was front row, first and second row. It was smooth as anything.
It was fine. That one, rattly. Should be called the rattlesnake. Don't know if it is a new thing, but they put a lot of these boards up on a lot of the outlets that tell you all the different things. It's good to see. It's cool. Like I said, I don't know if it's new, but yeah, you don't need to worry about the pass discount anymore. There we go. Here's the entrance for the Crows of Morecambe Meadow, and although I sort of thought that it was very much the same as last year, from the pictures I've seen, clearly there has been changes. We've now got a gate. Looks like it's going to be even more hay than before. Yeah, they have. I think they have changed the layout slightly. It's good to see. I thought it was going to be a little bit stale this year, but clearly not. Yeah, there's definitely more walkways than last year.
So the wooden maze aspect of it looks much bigger.
But yeah, I mean,
the old barn is all the way over there now, and it was here last year.
That is true. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully they're going to theme it slightly. Otherwise it's fence panel the scare maze. Or, yeah.
They're definitely improving it year after year.
One major update since we last came is that his stitches has been put up. It's fully up now. See the entrance? Obviously that's where you come out for Morecambe Meadows. Let's take you through the barrier. See the window. Ooh, new stuff, new stuff. I'm not going to vlog the whole day because we're not. Just been on The Walking Dead. They put new lighting in there. I don't know how new that is. Let us know in the comments if you've done it months ago and they changed the lighting. But yeah, new yellow lights, LED lights. Did enhance.
It's better than a kick in the teeth.
Yes, Hayley, it is.
It is. It's better than a kick in the teeth.
So we've just got the announcement of the scare zone, the brand new scare zone for 2025. It's going to be called Purgatory Town. It says calling all lost souls. As the sun sets, the residents of Big Easy Boulevard lock their doors, but there's no rest for the wicked. Here the condemned wander the streets praying for their souls to cross over. And they're just dying to meet you in this new interactive scare zone. I read it on the phone.
For me, that actually sounds really cool, I'm not going to lie. If they do it well, it could be really good. If they half-ass it, then it would be really weak.
Yeah, but it's now confirmed.
And thinking about it, they could easily reuse some of the old Death Door stuff. So...
But yeah, it's going to be down Big Easy Boulevard. So... be good, something different, something new. But yeah, at least we now got confirmation it's happening, because at the start of the vlog I wasn't sure it was actually happening.
No, at the start of the vlog we were like
but yeah, it ends our day here at Thorpe Park. Brought you some of the updates from around the park, as well as the breaking news of the new scare zone, Purgatory Town. So yeah, been an off-peak day, it's been alright. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, we shall see you on our next adventure. Bye!